Hello, welcome to our channel. Any particular website, I can getting clicks and ranking them at pages, which clicks is more depend on your particular website. Suppose I have getting the traffic, which click is more people will be clicked our website. That you can target the keyword on your particular website. So that is called, we can use option name is called Google Search Console. The Google Search Console, how to track the report and download to work the your particular keywords. What is the purpose of Search Console? What are the issues? And we have to check the report, and we can check will be your pages clicks. For example, I can design one page. I work done by 6 months or 5 months, but I have to know how many people click the particular link. How to track the report? The track the report, we have two options: Search Console, Analytics. Analytics will be daily traffic, hourly traffic, weekly traffic, and traffic came from social, organic. But Search Console, which keyword they will be clicked came to our website and number of times clicks in. So that all option will be settled for one of the website name is called seasonsnew.com. Here we can go to Search Console option. Log in here. Left you can open the URL, there is not a difference. Search.google.com/ search hyphen Google, there is a URL. This is all your particular report. In this particular Google Search Console performance, how to know this? We can go to performance, which keyword they will click and number of times. See the thing, swimming pool, 254 clicks. What are the pages people number of times clicks here? That all pages will be here. This all report will given by the Google Search Console. The report compulsory you can download it and work from the your website. Which keyword more people will research? My keyword, why it is not showing on in this Google search results? Compulsory this report within a 3 months you have to generate on Google Search Console. Within 3 months you not generate a Google Search Console report here, you will be do the wrong mistakes completely. So compulsory, what are the things you will be do the any work onto the Search Console? That option name is called export. Export nothing but click here. We can select your time period. So today will be date will be March. Again, report will be selecting from the 1 month report. Apply. Click for export. Export time, you can click for all options. Export, we can use option name is called download Excel sheet. Not CSV, not Google Sheet. Excel sheet. Why we can selecting Excel sheet is called, when open this one, there is a number of options are here. There is a number of options are here. That is called number of sheets. The sheet will be queries, page, countries, device, and search appearance, date, and filters. Date wise, you can check this. If you are doing any work, clicks will be zero, your work will be zero. That will I'm considered any people I'm working very fine, I'm working 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, your search console report will be zero, that will be complete, your work will be zero, that you are absent that day. But within a 3 months, I'm not give that. With the 3 months of time, you need improvement minimum required. So that is called, first of all, research it. My keyword people searching or not. My keyword, which position is there? The compulsory research your particular keyword position. That you can prepare Excel sheet day to day wise. Today I can select one location, keep it on the keyword position. How many people? So within the page of period, you can increase the per traffic. This is a multiple methods. So clicks will be happen. You can use Tumblr, Flowcard, whatever it is. But clicks will be final. Go to the website. That page will be here. So what are the pages you have? That all pages, clicks is accepted or not. Compulsory important. Which page more clicks will be happen? Relevant keywords in add it and increase your website traffic. When that keyword you can working number of times, the clicks will be more increased and your traffic also will increase by your particular website. The particular content using anchor text or relevant pages going purpose, This is compulsory important. So what are the weeks you work? The report you have downloaded. Every week you can check by using for particular dates. So date wise, download report, last 7 days, 28 days. This report you can send to your team. This is my work way is going on here. So every month you have to report will be submit to the company, Google Search Console, which keyword you're working, which is the clicks will be happen. These all will be compulsory important. Your performance will be start minimum 45 days will be required. So within 45 days, we improve the keyword position and upload the number of backlinks. Any URL you can change. Immediately you have do option name is called Pinterest is the first option, and we can go with the which website will be showing fast into the grow levels. That will be more important. Because the Google site, whatever it is, medium, the website will be more used when using for any URL change, anything. So this is the reporting way. You can download it. What are the work you can done? That all report will be given by the Google Search Console option. When you are working Monday to Friday, the report will download by the Saturday morning hours. You can download the every report, check the what are the your mistakes, which keyword I'm working in this week, the week report is there or not. Everything is checked by the Google Search Console option. That always performance will be increased important. Here 1.66K is there. Next week, we have to increase the clicks. The clicks will be down. What will happen? Your work will be wrong method. So maintain proper way and increase your search performance on your particular website. Impression clicks, one different, remember. CTR nothing but click-through rate. Clicks by impression to 100, that is the CTR value. So what is that? This all will be, clicks will be 1.66K, impression will be 93. Nothing but people watching for 93,000, but clicks will be only 1,600 clicks. So that is the major important on your particular website. So follow this method and use the Google Search Console option. So this is the report will be here. So any further question, contact my channel. I definitely will be support on Google Search Console option. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.